students from different disciplines and countries.
Okay. So we are divided into two teams, international education team. So through the ISP program.
Each and every member of SNU also have the responsibility formed. So what kind of norms and rules we have?
There's the 유사랑 program, which offers you a chance to volunteer and contribute to the society.
So it is not easy to live in different countries because
2015, I served as a police officer.
There should be the completion that
I recommend you guys to contact us through Messenger Kakao.
First welcoming party since the pandemic, and it's going to be on September, so
Don't be afraid about it because you have the potential. Being here,
and I'm sure that you are going to shine bright every time because you are one hardworking soul.
감사드리고요. 감사한 마음으로 열심히 가보겠다고 약속은 드리고 최선을 다하겠습니다.
If today's the law date, due date, when you have to